everybody, this is Santos from BMW of Myrtle Beach. For those of you lucky enough to own one of these beauties, these M cars, we're dedicating this video to you. This is 2022 and it's the 50th anniversary of BMW Motorsport. So let's get in the car and check out some of these M specific features. We get a lot of questions about these two red tabs that show up on the steering wheel of our M cars. What they are preset buttons basically, which allow us to save configurations on how we'd like our M cars to perform. Let's go ahead and see how we can set those configurations. From our iDrive home screen, we select Car, and we'll see that there's a special M menu item. Let's select that, and let's go ahead and configure the M1 button here. Starting from the top, it's asking us, well, how would you like the engine to be configured? And it goes anywhere from efficient, sport, or sport plus. For this first configuration, I'm just going to pick sport for the engine. Transmission has a number of features. You might know that you have two automatic transmission modes basically. One is drive, which is your normal automatic transmission, and one is S or sequential for more of a manual mode where you would use your paddle shifters on the steering wheel to shift between gears. Now even between S and D, you can see that there are three settings, and that deploys the drive logic system within BMW, and they actually would vary the shifting characteristics of the car. So one being a very smooth shift, whereas a 3 is actually a very aggressive or sporty shift. I'm going to go ahead and pick D1 as my transmission setting. Chassis settings, again, I'll pick sport. Comfort, I'll stick with, for steering, I'll stick with comfort. I'll stick with comfort for M1. On braking, I'll leave my dynamic stability control on. My X drive is actually grayed out, it's always four-wheel drive. I would like the start-stop to be off. I want my sound control to be on, a little bit louder growl. And that becomes my configuration for M1. M2, let's go through it again. Engine, I'm going to, in this case, I'm going to pick a sportier mode for M2, so I want Sport Plus. My transmission, when I pick M1, I want it to be in sequential or more of a manual shifting, and I want it to be a very sporty, spirited shifting, so I'm going to pick S3. You might remember the selections there. Chassis, I'd like to go to Sport Plus there. My steering, I'll keep it on sport. Braking, I'd also want that on sport, for example. I'll keep my dynamic stability control on. I still want my start-stop to be off, and I definitely want my sound control to be on. And that becomes my M2 configuration. Now, from a practical standpoint, as I'm driving, I can actually hit one of these buttons here, let's say M1 first. The instrument panel will actually display M1 as the drive setting right now. I can click it again to turn it off. I can switch to M2, and the display tells me that I'm in M2 mode. And all those characteristics that we programmed in there will now take over for my driving experience. Here at BMW of Myrtle Beach, we're very excited about the 50th anniversary of BMW Motorsport. We hope you enjoyed this video. Please like it and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Please post any questions or comments you have down below as well. As always, we'd love to see you here at your local BMW dealership, BMW of Myrtle Beach.